In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the handbrake correctly. By the end, you'll have a video successfully converted in handbrake with the right preset, format, codec, frame rate, quality, and audio settings, saved to your chosen location and ready to play. First, open handbrake. You should see the main dashboard with options across the top and a presets panel on the side. Next, click Open Source. Then select the video file you want to convert. Handbrake will scan the file and load it into the project. Wait a moment for it to finish so all settings apply to the correct source. Now, choose a preset. On the right, pick one that matches your goal, such as fast 1080p, HQ, or 4K. Presets load sensible defaults for resolution, quality, and speed, so this choice sets a strong baseline before you fine-tune anything else. From here, you set the format. In the Summary tab, open the Format menu and choose MP4. MP4 is recommended because it plays well on most devices and platforms while keeping file sizes manageable. Next, go to the Video tab and select your codec, H.264 or H.265. H.264 is the most compatible choice and works almost everywhere. H.265 can produce smaller files at the same quality but may take longer to encode and isn't supported by some older devices. Pick the one that fits your needs and stick with it for this encode. Now set the frame rate. In the same Video tab, open the frame rate menu and choose Same as Source. Matching the source frame rate helps you avoid motion issues and keeps playback smooth and consistent with your original video. Next, set the quality using the RF control. Look for the RF or constant quality slider and set a value between 18 and 22. Lower RF numbers mean higher quality and larger files. Higher numbers mean smaller files with more compression. A range of 18 to 22 is a reliable sweet spot for good visual quality without wasting space. Once that's done, go to the Audio tab. Here, keep AAC or the original audio. If the track is already AAC, you can leave it as is. If you prefer to preserve the original audio codec from the source, that's fine too. AAC is widely supported and a safe default, so you won't run into playback problems on common players. At this point, choose the save location. At the bottom, click Browse, or use the Save As field to pick where the encoded file will go and give it a clear file name. Make sure you're saving to a folder you can easily find later. And confirm you're not overwriting a file you still need. Finally, click Start Encode. You'll see the progress bar move while handbrake processes the file using the preset and settings you selected. Leave it to finish. The time will depend on your computer, the codec you chose, and the length of the video. Once the progress reaches 100% and the queue is clear, your conversion is complete. Your video is now encoded with the chosen preset, MP4 format, the correct H.264 or H.265 codec, the original frame rate, your RF quality setting, and the selected audio, and it's saved to the location you picked. You can open and play it to confirm everything looks and sounds as expected. That's it. The setup and encode are complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.